How to resume a previous conversation in Deepcode CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. And in this short tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can resume a previous conversation from the point where you left it in your Deepcode CLI. So if you wish to resume your previous conversation, you need to simply follow these easy steps. First, launch a Windows PowerShell in administrative mode and then type in Deepcode in order to launch the Deepcode CLI. Then, from a new line, simply type in the forward slash and then type in resume. And from here, you can also see pick a previous conversation to continue from where you left it. So simply hit the enter button, and then from here, you can see all of the previous chats and along with their date and time as well. Then from here, simply select that particular chat that you wish to resume, and upon selecting the same, you will find all of the chat contents intact where you left them. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.